Are you ready to learn my most powerful techniques to make anyone wildly attracted to you? So make sure you really want this person because your charisma will enhance immediately. You'll become a magnet for everything you seek. If you shift your mindset, if you shift your energetic vibration, your results will shift fast. Whether you have a specific person in mind or not, you can become wildly attractive to everyone in your life. So we are going to be using the law of attraction, law of assumption. I also love Neville Goddard, so we're going to be using imagination exercises. Basically, we're going to manifest you a high value man or woman, so you will never struggle in dating again. Use these easy steps to fix your love life now. And yes, you can get results in under an hour. I look forward to reading about your success in the comments below. Before I spell all of the details, make sure to smash that subscribe button to manifest the love life of your dreams, the life of your dreams, everything you could ever want and more. Okay, so are you ready for these steps? Grab a pen and paper. You do not want to miss anything, and feel free to pause and rewatch sections if you need to. First, you need to recognize your power. Understand that you are the creator of your reality. So you can essentially get anyone to be wildly attracted to you. You can use your creative power to manifest just about anything. So why wouldn't this be included? So claim your role as the manifesting entity in your life. Affirm your ability to manifest and focus on exactly what you want. Stop focusing on your frustrations and what you don't want. Stop focusing on the idea of this person rejecting you, not liking you, not being good enough for this person. Stop. You need to clearly set your intention, exactly what you want. If you have a specific person in mind, you want to manifest a brand new person, what do you want? So identify what this looks like. How do you want this person to display that they are wildly attracted to you? What do you want in this relationship? Pick exactly what is right for you. Now, you have to cultivate a positive mindset. You have to focus on what you want, and those are all good things. So you have to be optimistic and determined most of the time. You can't bypass this. So focus on empowerment and your belief within yourself to manifest exactly what you want. You need to visualize the desired outcome. Like I said, what does it look like when this person is wildly attracted to you? How do they treat you? What do they say to you? Do they call you all of the time? Do they tell you you're beautiful or handsome? Do they give you gifts? Do they ask you out on dates? Do they treat you to lovely restaurants? What do they do? You can visualize this with your eyes closed or write it down. Now, all of this loveliness that you want to attract from them, I want you to now imagine you giving to them in return. So for example, you being everything that they need, you being their perfect person, you being their dream partner, you being the one that they can't get enough of. And really immerse yourself in this feeling, embody it. You do this through your emotions, through your heart energy. Tap into that feeling of satiation, fulfillment, desire. Just really get into your imagination, feel it from your heart. And you have to believe that this is possible. You have to believe in yourself. If you do not believe in yourself, if you think that you're a failure, you're not going to manifest this. This person is not going to be wildly attracted to you. So you need to release resistance and doubt. Talk yourself through it. Every time that voice of resistance comes up, don't try to erase it or try to remove it. Just talk to it. Have a conversation with it and say, you know what? This person actually can be wildly attracted to me because I am amazing. And list all of the wonderful things about you that are unique and special. Remember your uniqueness, your authenticity as an asset that makes you unlike no one else. So really, there's no competition. Now you need to stay open to how it's going to happen. Don't outline how you think it's going to happen because that'll just block the quickest route. The route to it is going to be something that you probably haven't guessed. So just be open to receiving it in all ways. It could happen in under an hour. It could happen in under a minute. The point is something major will happen pretty quickly. You have to practice gratitude though. Without gratitude, you're not getting anywhere. You cannot skip this. You have to be grateful, grateful to who you are, grateful that this person exists, grateful that this love exists, grateful that you can have someone be wildly attracted to you. You have to practice gratitude. Be grateful for the air you breathe, the sky above you, the roof over your head, the food you eat. Just start being grateful for everything. Now, don't fall into the trappings of thinking that you need to contact this person and test it out. You will test it out best by continuing to remain true to yourself, true to this shift in mindset, and they will contact you. But do not reach out to them. Only respond. Don't initiate. So when you hear someone else give you the advice, take inspired action, it's about taking inspired action within you, not actually taking physical action to bring it into being. Do not mess with the middle, as Neville Goddard said. Now, you need to embrace the time element. Like I said, this can take under an hour. It's still time, it's still a waiting period. Just dance along for the next hour. Have fun, laugh, enjoy your life. Because if this was a guarantee, you would be relaxing, you would be at ease, you would just be joyful. So try to act as if and embrace the time element. See time as your friend. Now, you need to be gentle with yourself. You need to talk to yourself as you would talk to this other person. So this person you want to be wildly attracted to you, how would you talk to them if they were in your presence right now? And are you talking to yourself like that? That's really important. You need to be confident. Even if you don't see yourself as a naturally confident person, be confident because, again, there's only one of you. So why wouldn't you be confident? Focus on the feelings of possibility. There are endless possibilities in this world. All possibilities exist. All of creation is done. So there exists a reality where you can have this. Now, the easiest way to get there is to not hate where you're at right now. So don't loathe the current moment. Don't see it as flawed and an error, and you can't wait to escape it. If you do that, you'll always remain stuck in it because you'll be presenting so much resistance. This person will never be wildly attracted to you. You have to love the current moment. See it as a stepping stone to where you ultimately want to be. You have to let go of lack. You have to. Lack cannot exist. This doesn't mean 100% of lack because you're human and it's okay to have some doubts, but make sure you're predominantly focused on what it is to feel attractive, what it is to feel your worth, what it is to raise your self-concept and know why this person will be wildly attracted to you. Because if you can't see yourself like that, how is this other person going to view you this way? You have to validate yourself first. You cannot expect them to validate you. The last step is living in the end. In the end, you are relaxed, you are needing nothing, this moment is perfect, you are free, you feel like you could fly, and you just are so glad to be living life. If you can embrace that right now, this person will be wildly attracted to you in probably less than an hour, and everything else you seek will come rushing to you like a magnet. Works every single time. So why do we hesitate to do this? I guess it's the human struggle. It is so easy, and maybe we don't want it to be easy. We want it to be dramatic, but you came to this video because you want it to be easy. So if you follow these steps, I guarantee you, your life will change so fast. It will scare you, so be careful what you wish for. You will get it. Have you claimed my 10-minute free bonus coaching call yet? If not, what are you waiting for? There are not that many spots left, so I need you to go there now, dreamlifebyveronica.com, sign up, enroll, let's schedule it, let's do this. If you want to learn how to get anyone obsessed with you, yes, obsessed, watch this video here. It works for not only love, but friendships, family relationships, be successful on social media, business, whatever situation you want someone to be obsessed with you in, the steps are here and I know you will love it. So check it out.